So how do you multiply decimals? Let's say you had a number like 4.07 and you wanted to multiply it by 3.9. How would you figure out that? Well, we're going to do that next and show you that example. So welcome to Decimal Basics Part 4. In this video, we're going to talk about multiplying decimals and how do you determine how many decimal places to put in the answer of a decimal problem. That's what we're going to walk through today. But before I do that, please subscribe to this channel. If you like it, like the video, share with others, and let's get right into this. So we're going to have to take this number as we would with a normal multiplication problem. We have to multiply the 9 times the 7, the 9 times the 0, and then the 9 times the 4. We have to do each number on the bottom by each number on the top. So what we'll do is we'll start off with 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is equal to 63. So we're going to put our 3 here and carry our 6 over to the next place. And as we do that, now we're going to move over to doing 9 times 0. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 6 will give us our 6 that we're going to add at the bottom there. And now we have to do 9 times 4, which is obviously 36, as you probably know. And then we have to go ahead, so we're moving over to the next number. We have to go ahead and put a place value. We have to put a 0 as a placeover because we're moving over to the next number. And now we have to do 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. We're going to put our 1 there, and we're going to go ahead and carry our 2. And as we do 3 times 0, that's going to be 0, and then we're going to add our 2 plus 2. So we put a 2 there. Now we have to do 3 times 4, which is going to obviously give us 12. Now we're at the point in this equation where we can add up this equation and figure out where our decimals go. So now we've done all this work and we have our answer here just about ready to be tallied up. We have 3,663 plus 1,2210, and that adds up to be 15,873. So we got the numbers right, but we have to figure out where does the decimal point go, because we were multiplying decimals together to get this answer here. And the way you do that, how you figure that out, you simply look at both of the numbers that you're multiplying together. So first look at the 4.07 and figure out how many decimal places are behind that decimal point. So it's 2 decimal spaces in 4.07. And then we look at 3.9 and there's 1 decimal place in 3.9. So that means there must be 3 decimal places in our answer. And that's exactly what happens. We put the 15.873. So we have 3 decimal places, and that's how you figure out where to put the decimal place. So when it comes to multiplying decimals, you simply add up the number of decimal spaces in both factors in each number that you're multiplying together, and use that to determine the total number of decimal places that need to be in your answer. We're going to keep coming out with content just like this. So subscribe to our channel, tell a friend, leave a comment, like this video, and come back for more.